Okay, guys. So for today, I want to show you how to improvise with your major scale. Like I always say, major scale is a vital scale when it comes to soloing, when it comes to improvisation. Okay, that is your major scale, your D major scale. Okay, that is your major scale. Most time a lot of people tends to ignore the major scale improvisation. Like you can hear me playing. You know, major scale has a lot of power. So how to use it more in your playing? Just like for instance, you are playing a kind of a chord progression like do. Okay, like if you want to use your major scale now, you can play something like the T there is a saw chord now. Okay, now when you get to your T now, which is the saw chord now, we have the saw chord again. Sorry, we have the saw note, okay, in that key of D, and this is the saw. The saw there is in the key of A. Okay, the saw there is in the key of A, and that is the key of A. Okay, that is the key of A. Okay, that is the key of A. So if you are playing saw, going to saw chord now, okay. If you want to improvise on that saw chord to the next chord, which is the La, you can play your soft your major scale with the from the key of A there. Okay. So La. Okay, now you're going to your La. Okay, we have the La, and this is the La. That is B. Okay, but since La is a minor note, you're going to play a kind of a B minor scale. Stuff like this. You're going to play B minor scale. This should be your. Okay, but you're not going to play like that. You're going to play something like Do, Mo, okay? Do, Mo, Va, So. Okay. Okay. So when you get to your okay, now the Va is in the key of G. Okay, the Va is in the key of G. And this is the scale in the key of G. Okay, that is the key of G. So you can play. Go to your dog now. Okay, which is the D. Play earlier. Play this is the key of G also. You can equally play it here on this straight chord. Okay. Do.